Okay, so this video is about how to organize and optimize your Google Drive experience. So here we are on the home page of Google. We are signed in. We're going to go up to the waffle. And when we click, we are going to find Google Drive. Okay, when your drive opens up, you're going to see a couple things. First thing you're going to see is your suggested files. These are files that you've been in recently. Then you're going to see all of your folders if you have any. I have a lot. And then you're going to see a whole bunch of random files. Your random files are the files that you have not organized into a folder, and they can build up pretty quickly. So we're going to talk about how we can avoid that. And then you also have another place inside of the drive that can be a good place to look for things if they have been shared with you. So there is a space in this left side menu here that says shared with me. And when you click on that, you see everything that someone has shared with you. So everything they've sent you the link for, or they have shared via email. So if you lose that email, you're having a hard time finding it in your inbox, you can always find it in shared with me. So I'm back in my drive, and the first thing that I'm going to do is set up a folder. So I'm going to go to new folder, and then I'm going to name it. So I'm going to name this with something that's going to make it pop up at the top of this list. So I'm going to just call it 1. And then there is my folder. Now, if you want to, you are able to change the name of this folder at any time. You can also color code your folders and change the color, and you can create subfolders inside of a folder. So if we want to change this folder in any way, all we have to do is click on it once to select it. And then we can come up here to this menu where we see the 3 dots, and we hit more activities. All right, here you can do many things. But renaming it and changing the color is probably of most interest to us right now. So I can go to change color, and then I can choose any color I would like to make that file. You could also share this file with other people there if you would like for them to be a part of everything you put in that file folder, but you just want to be careful with that because they're going to be able to see everything that you place there. You also are able to put this folder in the trash if you would like to. I'm going to do that with this example here. So I can click on it one time and I can hit the trash can, or I can click and hold and drag the folder over to the trash and let go. Okay, now my folder is in the trash. All right, so I do a lot of dragging and dropping inside of my drive to organize it. This is how I do that. So I come down to all of these disorganized documents, and all I have to do to move it to a folder is click on the document and hold. And then I start moving my mouse. I'm still holding till I get over the folder I want it to go in, and then I let go. Okay, and now that document is going to be inside my folder. So I can open that up to double check. There it is. Now, like I said, you can also add subfolders inside of your folders. So if I wanted to organize some information inside of this folder, I would just open it up by double clicking, and then I would hit new folder. And I will hit create. And now I have a folder inside of the other folder. Okay, so that's one way to go about it. Another way that you're able to put things in folders is if you're in your actual document or slides or sheets, while you're working inside of that document, or when you create it, it's a great time to do it. You come up here next to the title, and there's a little folder. When you mouse over it, it says move. And then when you click on it, your drive pops up and you're able to pick which folder you would like to move it to.